basic initial step that you must do before starting designing in AutoCAD. First, let's see what are those steps. So, these are the 4 steps that you must follow before starting a drawing into an AutoCAD. First step says set unit of a drawing. Here we set a unit of our drawing like a mm. We want to draw in mm or inches. Okay, that's it. Second step tells us we have to set limit of drawing. So here we set the limit of our worksheet. We set the area in which we want to work. The third step is zoom into worksheet. After setting limits of our worksheet, we zoom into it so we can have proper access or we can have proper access to drawing easily. Fourth step, set layer for drawing. Before starting a new drawing, we must always set a layer for it. So let's start with our first step, set unit of drawing. Here we have our drawing, AutoCAD. This is a command bar. To set a unit of our drawing, we just have to type units on command bar. Okay, the drawing unit pop-up window is open. So here we have type of length, means in which type of measurement units we should use. There are architecture, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. Mostly architecture is used by civil engineers. If we choose architecture, you can see the precision with the unit will represent in inch or feet and also in fraction. And it's a unit of insertion. Means whenever we will measure any distance between any 2 points, it will show us in inches. Okay. The next, if we choose decimal, it's a simple. We can set this insertion unit as we want. See, we have lots of options. We can give it as unitless, but it won't insert any, won't be useful. So we can use feet, miles, millimeter. Normally, mechanical engineers we use millimeters. That's the most standard unit we always use in mechanical engineering. Then we can choose a precision to be 0.0 decimal, 0.0 after a decimal, 10, 20, 30 and goes on. For me, I always use integer. And we also have same option for angle. So after setting your drawing unit, just click on OK. Let's move forward. So this is how we have set our unit of our drawing. Here we are done with our first step. Let's move towards the second step. Our second step says set limits of drawing. To set limit of drawing, just type limits on command bar. Press enter. It says specify lower left corner. So we have to, like whenever we are trying to sketch or starting to sketch or starting to drawing something on a piece of paper. A piece of paper is our workspace within which we draw our drawing. So here is the same concept. We have to specify the lower left corner of our worksheet. Let's say I want it to be the origin, so 0, 0. The upper right corner. I want it to be x coordinate 2000, separated by comma, and the y coordinate 2000. Actually, I almost draw some big scales, drawing. So I always use 2000, 2000, x and y coordinate. So here we have set our limits of drawing. Okay, let me show you one quick example what these limits are about. So let me draw one rectangle. So here, as in first when we type limits on our command bar, it says specify the first lower left corner. So we defined it as 0, 0. So that's our origin. So this is our workspace. This rectangle is our worksheet within which we are going to draw. It's just I'm taking an example to tell you guys this will be our origin and this will be our upper right corner. 2000, 2000. Okay, so that's how it's done in AutoCAD. We set first origin, the lower left corner, and then we say the upper right corner. So now the rectangle or specified dimension coordinates has been created for us. So let's erase this. Just I took it to make you understand an example as example. Next, let's move toward our third step. Okay, our third step says zoom into worksheet. So to zoom, actually this is not that important, but it's what I do while starting a new drawing. Because actually I want to see my entire worksheet while before beginning the drawing. So just type zoom or enter Z on command bar. Enter. Here we have all the options how you want to zoom in by center, dynamic extension, scales window. So press A. So your own worksheet is zoomed in. Now you have the available area. You set your origin here. You can see the red and the green line. And this is our origin 0, 0, and somewhere over here up is 2000, 2000 coordinate, which is our workspace. So we are done here with our third step, and the final step, which is setting up layer for drawing. This one is really important, guys. The final step, setting up layer, will help you in number of ways, guys. The first advantage of setting up layer is that if you want to draw something like a box, then you want to draw a circle, then within that circle you want to draw again box, and within that box again you want to draw a circle. So let's see, let me create that box and circle. So let's create first example. Okay, now this rectangle is in default layer, which is 0. Default layer is created by AutoCAD and it is named as 0. You can see here, this is our layer panel, and here it's a 0. This is currently on. Okay, let's erase this rectangle and let me start you with from the beginning. So let's first create a new layer. So to create a new layer, you have to click on the layer properties. So you can see here the status. It says that the layer name 0 is activated. I want to create a new layer, so I will click on this new layer or Alt plus N. I will name it as a rectangle. Then I will activate it by double clicking on the shift button. So now our layer rectangle is activated. If you want to change its color, then you can by clicking on the color panel, the white box, you can change its color. I want to change it to the red. You can see here. We also have the benefit of selecting the type of line you want to select. Here it's the continuous solid line. Here if you can that load option, you have various number of other lines to select. First let's start with the solid line. And you also have the option to select the width of the line. Width of the line means it's the thickness of the line. You can select various number of thickness of the line from 0.00 mm to 2.11 mm. Let's let it be the default one. Okay. Close this. Okay, now if I want to draw a rectangle, it will be in red color because I have selected the red color to draw a rectangle for my layer. So whatever I will draw in this layer, it will be in rectangle. Okay. layer named circle, then you have to activate it. If I didn't activate the layer named circle, and if I want to draw circle, it will be still. It will be still in the same layer. So see, if I draw a circle, it will be in the red color. So as I have already created a layer named circle, I can select it from here. Circle. Now if I want to draw a circle, you can select any two point and draw it. See? Simple. You can see the change. It's in green color. Again, the second I want here. Okay, you can see that. Now if someone asks you that he wants only the drawing or printout of the drawing of circle, then what you want to do? Because you have already drawn the circle and the rectangle in one workspace, but you can't give him the drawing, this drawing. So for that there is an option. You can turn off your layer, so it will be just invisible for you. If someone says that he wants a circle drawing, then you just turn off the rectangle drawing. You can see. You can give him the printout of this circle, and even if you want to just work in this layer, then you can draw one more circle here. But it won't affect your layer, the rectangle layer. It won't affect this layer. Similarly, goes for the rectangle layer. Now if someone says he wants a rectangle, drawing of rectangle, and he doesn't want a circle, then I will just turn off the circle layer. And the circle will disappear. Circles will disappear. Now I can manipulate, draw or manipulate anything to this layer. Okay, let's select the rectangle layer, and now I can draw a line without affecting the layer drawing in the circle layers. This is very useful one. So guys, if you think these 4 steps are really important, and these are if you guys think this video is really helpful for you, for a beginner in AutoCAD, then please like and